Here comes another KMC 2600 swing boom grapple. It has the young swing boom with the 90-inch head. Some people feel the 90-inch head does not have enough capacity. However, lots of operators seem to be able to get a fair amount of wood in there. He's skidding off of flat ground here, but that's not the problem. The problem that he faces is that he has a very steep pitch. As you can see, he's coming over that pitch right now, bringing the load down off the flat area up top. The problem they've encountered here is the pitch is so steep that rubber-tired skidders, even with tracks on them, cannot get up onto the flat area, and therefore have about a half-mile trip to go around to get the wood and then come down through this area. The 2600 is coming back up through the draw that he just took the load down through. The contractor had actually cut that out a little bit with a dozer in anticipation of being able to use rubber-tired skidders. However, he was unable to do so. This particular 2600 is fully decked out, fully enclosed cab, all the options, as well as a four-way tilt blade that is an option on the 2000 series. You can see that it comes back up through there with very little or no track slippage.
Why buy a KMC high-speed steel-tracked skidder? There are three unique reasons. One, our balanced weight distribution, which provides unparalleled stability and ground sensitivity. Two, our unique torsion bar suspension. And three, our live track, made of cast steel and designed for high-speed operation. First, let's look at how machine weight is distributed. The heavy powertrain components of the KMC are positioned forward. The machine is designed to be front heavy when not under load. So when a KMC picks up a load, it can be lifted over the rear, spreading the weight along the whole length of the track and the whole width of the machine. Next, let's look at KMC's unique torsion bar suspension system. By looking at the KMC chassis, you can see the suspension system best. The road wheels are mounted not to an axle, but to an arm. The arm can pivot because it's on the end of a torsion bar, and there are not one, but a pair of torsion bars, one for each opposed wheel. The sprockets that drive each track are at the front. Each pair of road wheels is mounted on a pair of torsion bars. The idler wheels at the rear are adjustable for track tension. Here's the torsion bar secret. Each wheel can pivot up on its arm, the torsion bar twisting like a spring. This allows the track to mold to the terrain, each wheel finding its own height. Which brings us to the third fundamental difference with the KMC skidder, the live high-speed steel track. By live, we mean the track can flex, hug the ground, and be in touch with more of it. At the same time, its wide, even footprint means only gentle ground pressure and evenly distributed 6 pounds per square inch. A regular crawler track is rear-driven, so the track is pulled along the ground, increasing slippage and reducing track efficiency. But the KMC track is front-driven, is laid along the ground so it can mold the surface irregularities. The attack angle of the KMC track is high. It gets over obstacles easily. More ground contact is maintained and load shock is minimized. Now let's watch the rigid track on a regular crawler tractor. As it mounts the obstacle, it goes higher and higher and then comes down hard on the machine, the operator, and the soil beneath. Rubber bushings reduce wear as the track flexes on its connecting pins, and this track was designed so that any shoe can easily be changed in the field.